Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify theme without coding. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any steps. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Now let's get started. Step 1. Download and open the Shopify app. First, you need to download the Shopify app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Once downloaded, open the app. Step 2. Access the theme customization menu. At the bottom of the screen, find the three-line menu, wavy line icon, and tap on it. Next, tap on the three-dot menu to expand the options. Now switch to full screen mode and scroll down to locate the Sales Channel section. Under Sales Channels, tap on Online Store. Step 3. Navigate to the Theme Customization option. Once inside the Online Store section, look for the Manage All Themes option and tap on it. Now in the middle of the screen, you'll see the Customize Theme option. Click on it. Step 4. Start customizing your Shopify theme. Now that you're in the theme editor, you can start customizing various elements, including header templates, colors and layout sections and blocks, and much more. Final words. That's it for today's video. I hope you now understand how to customize your Shopify theme without coding. It's a simple and easy process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll definitely reply or even create a video on your topic. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. It really motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching.